I want everyone to set a habit. Decide whether you're going to take down your notes in a physical or digital form. Pros, easy to write down. Cons, many students lose it like after 3 weeks, and there's 3 weeks of hard work gone. So instead, I say go for a digital way. I'll show you this platform called Quizlet. Sign up for a free account using your Gmail. Press this plus button. You can click flashcard set, create from scratch. So with this page, right, you can type a title. So let's say English Compose. So I'm going to copy this out, but I don't want you to just use the example given. Craft your own sentence. I'm done with my first flashcard. So when you're practicing it, right, they will give you the word. You can press. It flips the card. So this is a good way to revise, and it's more fun too. I just did that in a couple of seconds. The flashcards look nice, and I won't lose it because it's online. Is you press this edit button, you write the emotion at the top. Happy, surprised. Then the next thing I want you all to do is set regular reminders to revise or add to your flashcard list. So it can be after dinner. After dinner is the best time because most people are like, after food, you're feeling a bit sleepy. Never mind. Just spend 15 minutes, do this quick exercise, and you can continue about your evening. If the three of you have your phone with you right now, I want you to set an alarm.